flashlights off! Oh!
Welcome to the grand reopening of the Mystery Shesh. Mystery Shesh! We're here to celebrate the defeat of that skunk Lil Gideon. Woo! Woo! Please, please. Hard boom chop all alone. Well, some of the glory. Okay, okay. Most of the glory. Camera.
Kiss on the cheek.
Not gonna happen.
Kiss on the cheek. On the cheek.
Not gonna happen.
Mr. Pines, is that code word I'm supposed to yell when I see a bomb?
Wait, what?
Bomb?
Let's eat. Oops.
Welcome to the mystery.
I say Carrie, you say Okie. Carrie.
Boy, if you don't...
Carrie.
Shut up!
How the confetti cannon works. And the karaoke machine has all the best songs.
Man, I can't wait to smash these Stanyatas.
Smash! Listen, kid, you do not want to hear this voice sing.
Oh, I thought this was gonna be a rare. Thompson, take off your shirt and I'll do anything for your oval.
Who's got one good pie and one good night?
Meat!
And he's green screen man. Can do whatever a green screen can.
Say, guys, is this play legendary?
I got diarrhea.
Could switch into Geico, Roy. Could switch into Could switch into Tango.
Guy, 15 minutes could save you 15 minutes, 15% minutes, 17 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes.